Today we're gonna tell you guys about reacting this film about Pride and Prejudice 2005. So before we are react, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Anastasia Dewi. I'm Ashif Anhar.
My name is Salwa Shalatila.
I'm Iftina Humaima.
My name is Najwa Harunisa. My name is Nisha Aulia.
So let's watch.
This video presents a brief and a synopsis of the film Pride and Prejudice with the theme of novelty and intercaste love. The main character is Lizzie, the second of 5 intelligent and brave siblings. Their family really hopes that their children will marry rich people to improve their economic condition. At a dance, Lizzie's older sister meets the wealthy Bingley while Lizzie meets Darcy. Lizzie's first impression of Darcy is very bad. She considers Darcy arrogant and haughty, even though Darcy is secretly attracted to Lizzie's beauty. Their relationship warms when Lizzie hears various negative rumors, including that Darcy was the one who separated her sister and Bingley's relationship. This makes Lizzie reject him outright and furious when Darcy expresses his feeling. However, misunderstanding began to unravel when Lizzie's sister Lydia elopes. Lizzie's Turnip family is helped by Darcy, who even paid for Lydia's wedding. Lizzie finally realized that Darcy is a good person and that she has been misunderstood. Despite going through many conflicts, this film, which is based on a famous literary work, ends with happy ending.
The moral lesson of this film is 1. The film powerfully illustrates that judging others based on first impressions, whether through pride or prejudice, can lead to significant personal misunderstanding and error. 2. It emphasizes the importance of true character over superficial wealth or social standing, showing that genuine connection is built on mutual respect and self-awareness.
The importance of social class and property in Regency England. The film vividly depicts the rigid social hierarchy of early 19th century England, where one's social standing and fortune dictated eligibility for marriage and social acceptance. This is demonstrated through the necessity of correct introduction, calling courts, and the adherence to strict rules of decorum in public and private gathering. A significant cultural lesson is the precarious economic dependence of women during that era, where marriage was not just about love, but often a financial necessity, particularly for women without substantial inheritance like the Bennet sisters. The limited economic standing of women.
The advantage of this movie is First, the graphics are impressive for a 2005 film. Graphics or visuals, despite being released in 2005, the film features beautiful cinematography with its use of natural light and stunning landscape of the English countryside. Second, the characters are realistic and well developed. The actors successfully portray their character with emotional depth and natural interaction, making their development from prejudice to understanding feel real. Predictable storyline as an adaptation of a famous classic novel, the film's romantic plot follows a standard formula that may feel predictable to viewers familiar with the genre.
The disadvantages of the film is
First, the plot is predictable, as is similar to most romance novels, because it follows the established formula of classic romance narrative. Elizabeth and Darcy happy ending becomes predictable from the very beginning of their interactions. The tension that builds often feels like a formality that must be overcome before the conclusion that the audience already knows. The second one it focuses too much on the topic of marriage. The film frequently highlights the extreme social pressure on women to marry quickly for financial security, making marriage the sole determinant of a character's success. This intense focus on arranged marriages obscures the potential depth of character development beyond their marital status.
Okay, guys, for the next, we will give the rating for this film. The rating for this film is 7.8 of 10. Why? Because this film overall success in presenting a very realistic story and touching the audience emotion deeply.
1. The success in building a strong narrative allows the audience to easily understand the storyline and empathize with the struggles of the characters. 2. Another aspect that stands out is how the social representation and personal conflicts are executed with a convincing or realistic nuance. 3. However, a perfect score might be hindered by some of the minor flaws already discussed. This film remains a memorable watch and leaves an emotional impact.